Hi. Welcome. This is Southbridge. I will show you how to view installed printers in your Windows computer using the reliable command prompt. Type this command to view names of printers installed in your computer. So this is the list of all printers that is installed in my computer. There is another command that you can use. This command will display more details about your printers like printer state, printer status, share name, and system name. So, as you can see, it displays the details in a tabular format. In addition to this, there is another command that will display more details per printer. Just type this command, wmic printer list full. What this command will do is that it will give full details of a printer like attributes. Current natural language. Current paper type. Default. Default capabilities. Default copies. Default language. Default MIME type. Default number up. Default paper type. Default priority. Description. Detected error state. Device ID. Direct. Do complete first. Driver name. Enable bidding. Enable dev query print. Error cleared. Error description. Error information. Extended detected error state. Extended printer status. Hidden. Horizontal resolution. Install date. Job count since last reset. Keep printed jobs. Languages supported. Last error code. Local. Location. Marking technology. Max copies. Max number up. Max size supported. MIME types supported. Name. Paper sizes supported. PNP device ID. Port name. Power management capabilities. Power management supported. Printer paper names. Printer state. Printer status. Print job data type. Print processor. Separator file. Server name. Share name. Spool enabled. Start time. Status. Status info. System name. Time of last reset. Until time. Vertical resolution. So that is how you view printer and its properties using command prompt. If you like the video, please subscribe and share this video to others.